Hi everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can turn off music on Marble Master. So let's get started. First of all, open Marble Master on your device. Now tap on the two lines icon that shows up on the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you can find music icon on the second on the left hand side of your screen. If the music is enabled, the music icon will look something like this in green color. To turn off the music, just tap on the active green music icon, and once the button turns to red, that's how you know that you've disabled music on Marble Master. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you'll never miss another gaming update.